Hello everyone, hope you're right. In today's video I'm going to discuss about the performance of my heather plant which I got in the autumn in September somewhere, and I transplanted it in this 20 centimeter pot. I used some fertilizer and multi-purpose compost and I transplanted it in this pot, and since then it has been flowering for me. So it's been almost 5-6 months and you can see it has still got plenty of color on it. So heathers are basically hardy plants. They are hardy in our zone 8, and as I said, they have been flowering for me since autumn through winter. And even this plant stood really well in all the snow and ice we are having for 3 to 4 weeks now. So this plant is really good if you want to have some winter color in your garden, in your backyard. You can use it in landscape, or you can use it in containers, and you can mix it with other plants which can also withstand cold and freeze. So I'm really happy with the performance of my hardy heather plant, and I really love the color it has got. So this is an evergreen plant. There are different varieties on bloom in spring, some in summer, some in autumn and winter. So it depends on which variety you get, it will bloom accordingly. However, it is evergreen and it acts as a beautiful ground cover in the ground. So if you plant it, you can mass plant it and it will cover the ground and will provide the interest and color throughout the year. As I said, you can plant it in the containers and it will look equally beautiful. I'm really happy, and I may get more plants next year, or I may divide it as it's a perennial plant and it forms clump. So I may divide it or propagate it to increase my heather collection. So I thought to share the performance of this plant with you in case you are also looking for some colorful flowering plants which can withstand cold and freezing temperatures, especially as in my experience it can perform beautifully throughout winter in our zone 8B. This plant prefers acidic soil, so if you plant it in the ground you may have to amend the soil by using an ericaceous compost. I used a fertilizer which is for acid loving plants and it has done really beautifully for me. It prefers a sunny location, but it can take part shade like under trees. However, if you plant it in full sun position, the blooms will be much more bright and colorful. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more gardening videos. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye.